Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can draw shapes and stuff. Well, how you can draw with shapes and lines essentially. There's just a lot of things you can do with Adobe Illustrator. You can create a flower with a polygon tool here. I'm just going to go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Parquet and Bloat, and you can bloat it like this. And that even creates like a shape itself. Whoops, I need the ellipse tool. And then you can color that orange. That's too orange, there we go. And then you can create a leaf, a lemon, like using this like oval shape. Okay, I'm gonna just use that. And then the rectangle tool up here. I'm just trying to like show you guys, but like I'm trying to make it quick as well because I don't want this video to be like 5 minutes long, because you can basically do anything that you'd like. Like a lemon here, and you can create like the what's it called, the stem, or like if you want to just make a leaf, you can do like just a line here. I'm just going to color it green, and let's have no color to that. And then here, oh, I forgot that I actually need to add another dot in the middle. Okay, let me do that again actually. Whoops, where's my delete button? There we go. Select this. Just gonna zoom in so you guys can see what I'm doing. Make it like that, and then you can then use this to kind of make it curved. And then here you can just copy and paste or press, oops. And then here you're going to transform and you're going to reflect it to make a leaf. I don't know, you can do a lot of things with Adobe Illustrator. But yeah, that's how you can make shapes. You can even use like the Pathfinder to create like a moon if you'd like to. Hello, oh, foolish. And then here I'm just going to copy and paste it, and I'm going to make it a different color so I can see what I'm doing here and like what kind of crescent that I want to make. Select both, go to Window, go to Pathfinder. Hello. There we go. And then you can just select the minus front, and then it's going to create like a moon shape. I don't know how they'll look with it filled in. Oh, okay, there we go. And just playing around with the shapes and the rest on Adobe Illustrator. You can make a lot of shapes and a lot of things using it, so just play around with it. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.